Welcome back. Once your campaign settings are all in order, you can then launch your campaign. And you'll see two buttons. You'll see one on the left side menu and one at the top right. We're going to click Launch Campaign. You'll get a message asking if you are sure. You're then going to click OK. Your campaign is now going to be active. And you can begin setting your widgets on different pages of your website. If you want to use a pop-up, a popover, or HTML form. With your campaign active, you can go to your page, you can click the button, you'll be able to see your campaign, and you'll be able to click the button. You'll then come to your share page, and this is what your customer will then see. What you can then do is to go through the process. You can begin sharing your campaign. So you can then click the Facebook share button, and you can share your campaign on Facebook. You'll click Post to Facebook. You can then share your campaign on Twitter. And you can then tweet your campaign. So now that we've shared, we want to go to our email address so that we can see what our customers will actually see. And we can see our email and that we have unlocked a reward. And we see a second email where we have unlocked the second reward. And so our campaign is working as it should. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.